I'm Smita Batra, and I'm 68 years old. I just in 23 in March, you know, started getting
Facial
electrifying
pain.
shock, right
Hmm.
on my left side of the face. And it started, I thought maybe, it's happened like once it happened, twice it happened. But the next day, it started happening like 5 minutes interval. Like, जैसे वो आपका हाथ किसी इलेक्ट्रिक वायर को लगे एंड एकदम से शॉक लगता है, that type of shock I was getting every 2 minutes. Even when I went into the doctor's office, every 2 minutes वो हो रहा था. The doctor ने मुझे admit किया for 1 week because they thought I might get a stroke. तो उसके दौरान मुझे MRI वगैरह सब कराया and everything was okay, normal. But then they came to a conclusion that it is trigeminal neuralgia, जो एक nerve है यहाँ पे, which is pinched. And उसके बाद of course वो electrifying shocks आते थे वगैरह. Believe it's given me tremendous क्या बोलूं मैं, like I'm totally treated by Survi ji. It's now 3 months. I'm not very regular, but I do come. And the thing is, now from 5 minutes or 2 minutes का जो समय है, मुझे एक दिन में कभी एक बार कभी दो बार होता है. So I think another 15 days I will be okay. This is all because Surbi ji did the lymphatic drainage massage, Gaussian massage. It helped me a lot. And you see this, I had a double chin. It's going now, and the thing is, even my dark circles, according to Surbiji, they have, even someone the other day I was saying that your dark circles are less. What are you doing? I think it's because of the splashing of water and the flaxseed gel, and the
Please
thing
also,
is,
ma'am.
the Gaussian massage, you won't believe, it's fantastic, because after that I have experienced one thing, that I get straight sleep. मैं सोती हूँ 11 बजे और 6 बजे उठती हूँ, but now I straight sleep. Secondly, Surbhi ji is meditation. Oh my God, it's so relaxing, very relaxing. You feel after the meditation, you feel so fresh, and nice. It's really, and her positive affirmations. I think I had totally lost hope. There was a lot of stress in my life, but now I've started living for myself. And Surbhi, thank you so much. It's all because of you. At 68, जैसे मेरी बेटे की शादी हुई थी, I felt बस अभी जिंदगी खत्म हो गई. But no, now I live for myself, and that's only because of
Wow.
Surbhi. And thank you so much, Surbhi, for taking care of this lymphatic. Even doctoroं ने मुझे steroids दिए थे, पता नहीं क्या क्या, to stop this. But I must say, Surbhi ji helped me. Thanks a lot,
Thank you so
Surbhi
much,
ji,
ma'am.
for coming
Thanks
into
a
my
lot.
life. God
Thank you
bless
so
you
much, ma'am.
always.
You too. You too, ma'am. Thank you so much for this. एंड डॉक्टर ने इनको इलेक्ट्रिकल शॉक, इलेक्ट्रिकल स्टिमुलेशंस भी देने के लिए कहा था कि
Right,
अभी,
right.
तो मैंने मैम को बोला नहीं, हम एक्सरसाइज से ही सॉल्व करेंगे. धीरे 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 करते हुए उनको ठीक हो गया. This trigeminal neuralgia's pain is very severe and one of the worst pain. It's like a shocking pain. You eat something, you touch something, you brush something, every time it pains a lot. And very frequently, just in 2 minutes, 5 minutes, so it's very difficult to live with that pain. So slowly, gradually, she came out of this. It's really great. Thanks to you, ma'am. And thank you so much for your efforts, dedication, and everything. Thank
All your वो जो आप packs देते हो ना, they are wonderful. Believe me,
you
I
so much,
never knew
ma'am.
anything that face yoga exists. दूसरा yoga मालूम था, but face yoga I never knew. In fact, I tell everyone, please join if you can, especially at our age. We should, all of us. But you've given me this thing to live. Now I live for myself, not for others.
That's great. Finally, this
Thank
journey is
you,
becoming
Suji.
more and more
God bless you
successful.
always.